Yo gang, good morning my people, my team, my family. How are you all doing? How's everybody doing today, guys? I have just seen the chat and I can really see we've got some guys in. Brother, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correct, but MC, bro, congrats dude. That's so nice to see that, man. I'm so glad it's been working for you, the EMA. That's the whole point of the stream, isn't it, right? Is to give you guys something that's clean, effective, and works. Before we get started, guys, let me get the chat up and going on the screen. And then, yeah, we can start rocking and rolling, yeah? Do a breakdown. See where we're at with the chart. And see what we get given today. I'm feeling like a good trade, I won't lie. I am feeling like a good trade. I am feeling like a good trade though, if I'm gonna be honest. But let's see, man. Let's see what we get given today, chat. Yeah, let's see what we get given today. Cool. But guys, how's everybody doing, man? How's everyone doing? Happy Thursday. So we have Dan. Dan, what's up, brother? Andrea, hello, bro. We got Tom. Good morning. Emmanuel. Who else? We got Vista Forex. Greg. Nice. Okay, right. Team. Okay. So I want to quickly do a breakdown, right? I want to go over what I'm potentially seeing. Something happened yesterday and we spoke about it. I'm like, if this happens today, we could be set for a big bullish reversal and we can maybe continue into all-time highs, right? So with that being said, right, let's go into it. So yesterday I spoke to you guys and I said the daily time frame, yeah. I said to you guys yesterday, I'm on the daily time frame right now. I did say to you guys, if we dip below EMA, which we did on the daily, and we get the daily closure back above. Look how the daily closed back above EMA, guys. We know what that means. We all know what that means. Who can tell me in the chat what that means? If the fact we've closed back above EMA on the daily, who can tell me what that means? Let's see who's been listening. Come on, chat. Who's been listening? What do you see this as? It's very, very important. Strong momentum too. Mean we print. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, this means that we could honestly have a big buying reversal back into all-time highs, which means start stocking up on accounts, guys. I'm telling you. Because accounts, if this is the reversal that I'm thinking, we are going to really start having some big moves coming up, easy moves to catch. Upside confirmation, exactly. It's a pullback for an up move, yeah. So exactly. So basically, guys, if this is the reversal, right, off that EMA to go back higher, this is the time to start stocking up on challenges and accounts, because we can pass them very easily now, understanding that we're going to probably be bullish for the next couple of days, right, coming up. So with that being said, right, I'm looking for longs right now. The fact we closed above that EMA on the daily yesterday and today's candle opened up, created the bottom wick. We retested EMA and we've already broken yesterday's high. There's a high chance, guys, there's a high chance we are going to come for 30,000. Okay? It's either going to be today, it's going to be tomorrow. But I truly believe we're going to hit 30,000 on Nasdaq coming up now. Alright? I think, man, I am feeling strong about it. 30,000 could be the next move. So if we can have, if we can get that, man, money's about to be printed, right? Okay, we have some people that are opposite. That's cool. If you're opposite, that's absolutely fine. I don't care. You follow your strategy, you follow your rules, you follow your system, right? I'm not saying that I'm always going to be right. But from my experience, right, I know how this can usually play out, right? So for me, I like this move to go longer, right? This is what I want to see. This is what Cameron wants to see. Yeah? So now let's drop into the 4 hourly. Yeah, 4 hourly, absolutely using EMA as well right now. Look how every time we come into EMA, price just rejects it and pushes, rejects it and pushes. Yeah. We are coming into an important level right now as well, guys. If I zoom out a bit here, we are coming into this level, right? You can kind of see it. We need to break through this level, obviously. Okay, we need to see a break. For me personally, I need to see Nasdaq break through this level to push higher, right? We can then maybe come for the all-time high, right? Which is sitting up at the 28, which is sitting up at the 9,800 area. Yeah, up there. Okay, so right now I'll go to the hourly. You guys don't have to agree, that's absolutely fine. I'm not asking any of you guys to agree, right? But I'm, like I've said, this is just me taking what I see. Another thing as well, let me say another thing as well, yeah? Something I noticed as well for the sellers. Sellers tried to come in, but instead they grabbed some lows down here and price then just immediately reversed. Do you see that as well? Do you see that? But there's no ways I'm going to want to be selling this right now. There's no way. But that's me personally, yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. 4 hourly playing above that EMA really nicely as well. Hourly also looking super clean. I've got a level over here on the hourly that I'm watching. That's a level I'm watching on the hourly. If we can get above, even better. More confirmation to go higher. And then I can see us coming for all-time highs as the next level, potentially, yeah. So if we can get above the 450s, I can see us push to 750. Okay? But it is a nice big range. It is a nice big range. Alright. Okay. Also, hourly, look how we get below EMA, we close back above. Every time we're getting below, we're snapping above, snapping above, snapping above. Creating higher highs and higher lows. There's no confirmation to sell this yet. Right? If you're looking to sell this, it's FOMO, dude. I personally think if you're looking to sell, it's FOMO. I'm only going to look to sell if price really struggles to break this level, 450. If we struggle to get above this level, then I will look to short. Potentially. Maybe a pull, I don't know, to short. But until we break above, until then, I'm bullish. Like, I want to see price get through this level. Right? We've come into this level like 3 times already. There's a reason, and we keep knocking at this level. In trading, guys, there's a theory. I learned this from my mates. It's called the knock-knock theory. After a certain amount of times, price knocks on a certain level, it's going to eventually open the door and break through. Right? Price can bounce off a level only so many times before it breaks through that level. Yeah? Now, obviously, there's things like NVIDIA happening that we all know about. There's obviously news in the world that can also affect it. Right? But if we look at the bigger picture, if I look at the bigger picture, let's go to the weekly, for fuck's sake. Look at the fucking weekly, guys. You want to sell. Like, why are you selling, bro? Look, like, do you see what I mean? Like, why do you want to sell the market when you see this? If you're looking to sell the market, I truly believe it's FOMO, dude. You have fear of missing out on the big shorts about to happen. And that's okay. That's okay. That's normal. I mean, I guess a lot of people don't want to miss out on the next big move. But I think until there's a real selling confirmation to go lower, then we can be open to looking for the shorts, right? And we won't miss out on anything. Don't that finger's looking perfect for head and shoulders on the 4 hourly? I did see that. I was kind of looking at that head and shoulders pattern, right? I do see that head and shoulders you're seeing. So we got obviously the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But it's not a confirmation yet, bro. We need to see a nice big bearish engulfing coming off that level. Maybe closure back below EMA to confirm head and shoulders reversal. You know what I mean? I do see what you're looking at for sure. I do see it. But I would want to see price have a closure back below EMA off that level to create that right shoulder before I can confirm that as a head and shoulders. But until then, I don't see this as a head and shoulders until we get the confirmation, right? And who said as well, like if you really zoom up, guys, who said that this couldn't be a head and shoulders over here? This could have been the head and shoulders over here. Look here. This could have been the head and shoulder. Sorry. This could have been the head and shoulders over here. Look here. We had the left shoulder, we had the head, then we had the right shoulder, and then we sold off. That could have been the head and shoulder too. So I don't know, dude. I don't know. I can't say. I'm not a magician, right? I'm not a magician. I'm just. Yeah. That resistance getting weak. That resistance gonna break at some point, bro. Calling it FOMO to go short is funny. I don't think it's funny, bro, at all. I don't know why shorting a bullish market. Like, look at this, bro. You see that? Do you know how many people probably try to short every single dip here on the way up, bro? Buy the dips. Yeah, dude. Okay. If you guys don't agree, that's absolutely fine. I'm not asking you to agree with me. This is my opinion, right? No one's going to tell me how to trade, right? So this is how I trade, right? I'm profitable. I have my system. I'm going to follow my system. You guys follow your system, right? So OG Trader, if you, sorry, OG Tech, I think that's your name. Dude, that's absolutely fine. If you think it's going to short, bro, that's cool, brother. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm not saying you're wrong. You have your opinions, I have my opinions, but that's what makes us all different, right? What makes us all unique. We all see different things, bro. A lot of us see everything very differently, and that's completely normal, dude. I was actually speaking to someone the other day. When it comes to analyzing the market, it's almost like following a religion. So, like, for example, some people are Christian, some people believe in Jesus, they're Christian, some people don't, right? Like that's normal. You might not believe in my strategy, you might not see what I'm seeing. That's absolutely fine. That's absolutely cool. So you can stay, you can watch the show just for, you know, entertainment purposes, or you can come and learn something that you maybe believe in. That's absolutely fine as well. Whatever you choose to do, brother. Whatever you choose to do, dude. Lower high and lower low on the 5 minute, bro. Good morning, Cam Bam. Disciplined futures trader. Good morning, guys. And then for the guys that said they could maybe see this as a reversal, like a head and shoulders, whatever you want to call that. You know, maybe an hourly closure back below that EMA from this area could be that signal to short. Yeah. I've been paper trading on Webull. I don't know what Webull is, bro. Is it a broker, I'm assuming? It's probably a broker, bro. I don't know. I don't know what that is, dude. I didn't trade gold, no. No. We can look at gold quick. Let's look at gold quick. No, dude, there's no ways, bro. Looks so shit. Chinese broker. Fuck. Nice, Dan. Sometimes I fiddle with gold on my Top Step account though. Now and then I'll take a goldie trade. Very rare though. I'm long. Yeah, me too. Oh, you long right now on Nasdaq, bro? Is that what you mean? How many assets do I trade? I trade NQ 95% of the time, man. And now and then I will just look at gold, but not really, bro. Gold, usually I'll look at it in a London session sometimes. Cam, I'm almost up 20% for the week. Fuck, dude. Grateful to come across the stream weeks ago. Really needed a push to get back. Dan, that's amazing, brother. Holy smokes, dude. That's amazing, dude. I'm so glad, bro. 20% is crazy, bro, in a week. Congrats, dude. Congrats, brother. Anyone play silver and catch big wins back in Minnesota was. I won't lie, guys. Who remembers a few months ago, or like not so like about maybe 2-3 months ago, when the metals were like when precious metals were so volatile, like prop firms had to start removing minis, right? And they start banning gold and silver, right? I won't forget. I was on a because like. The prop firm I was trading at the time banned silver and gold, but I did want to trade it because it was so volatile. I won't forget. I traded it in the personal a personal account on silver. I promise you. I think I flipped like $500 to 5k in like a trade, bro, on silver. That was the last time I traded silver though. That was the last time I traded silver. But yeah, it was silver. When? What's my strategy? It's EMA 9, dude. It's my strategy, bro. Let's see this 15. If this 15 closes back below EMA, guys, I maybe will scalp a short. I'll tell you why. We've come into the 450s. We've rejected. We have made a potential lower. Ooh, hold on, guys. Hold on. I might scalp the flip of this. This is a. I can see this as a potential lower high to maybe scalp short. If I scalp this, guys, I don't know how long I'm gonna hold it for, but just to get a little bit of something, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna see. We are back under that EMA. Yeah, chat, tell him. Wiggly Worm 9, dude.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm scalping a short, guys. I'm going 1 mini, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna go for like a 1-to-1, right? I don't like... I'm just scalping this because I see this as a potential lower high that we've put on the 15 minutes. Right, over here. Coming to that key level, rejected, try to get back high, potential lower high, back below that EMA. It does, my overall bias is still bullish though, guys. But this is I'm just sharing my view. This is obviously, what's the name of it called? Oh fuck, I forgot that name. This is the 15 minute right now, dude. See how the 5 minute close below the EMA as well. We got the 5 minute closure below EMA, and this current 5 minute broke that low. So when you all go long, Wall Street knows. All right. Cam, would you hang out with ICT? Bro, ICT's my dad. ICT's my daddy, dude. Yo, dude, Cam Bam, dude, you're going too far now, brother. This is getting a bit weird, bro. Such a weirdo. My entry, yeah, dude. So up here at 450 is a key level of mine, right? We came up into the 450s over here with this wick, and we rejected the 450s. Okay. I've only gone 1 mini because my overall bias is bullish, but I'm just looking maybe for like just a very small pullback, right? And the reason I'm looking for a pullback maybe is because we've come up into this key level 450 we rejected. We try to push back higher. This rejection over here is what I call a potential lower high. Yeah, this over here. That's a potential lower high. It's basically when price obviously tries to pull back higher and then it fails. So it's a failure to go higher, which I'm looking at as a potential lower high. And then we close back just below that EMA on the 5 minutes. And then the fact we closed back below that EMA was my entry. Let's see though. I've just got 1 mini, nothing crazy though. The best broker for Nasdaq on TradingView, dude, I don't know. I've seen the future and this trade hits TP. Yeah, dude, I hope so. I hope so. I don't even if it doesn't, I actually don't care. Like, I honestly don't care if it doesn't though. The reason being is I want to see the buys anyways, but I'm just kind of shorting this because what I'm currently seeing right now, you know, I'm shorting due of what I'm seeing, not of what I'm wanting. There's a difference. I want price to go higher, yes. Will it do that? Probably. Will it do it now? I don't know. So what I'm seeing is maybe a short lower before maybe going higher. So instead of me missing that short lower, maybe I can capitalize off that short because I saw a potential lower high. I also, like, if this does short, maybe I can go lower for sure and get a better risk to reward. But I think, like, I just want a 1-to-1. I don't want something crazy though. It's flashing in the next 50 minutes. Yeah, let's hope, dude. Also, I don't need to go for big profits on this account because I want to take a payout next week, Monday. I need 2 more winning days on it. I already have a winning day now, but I want to grow it a little bit more. Maybe have like $10,000 and then take the payout. But yeah, I need a winning day today, a winning day tomorrow, and then yeah, Saturday I can request payout and probably receive it Monday when the Fund Pro is back in office. Or I just request Monday, I don't know, I'll see. Does future price movement dictate what the stock market do? What's the percent you're allowed to draw down? So on this, I'm on a 200k funded account, right, with Funder Pro Futures. I have a $6,000 drawdown. That's nice, man. You have such a big drawdown. Super cool. But right now my drawdown is my equity. No, right now my drawdown is my profit. So I have 7,000 what? I have $7,800 drawdown right now. The drawdown stops when it reaches your starting balance, like all prop firms usually do. So yeah. So I have quite a bit of drawdown in this account. And yeah, I think I'll probably request like 7,000 out of them. 7k. I'm just sharing my view with my experience. Market will take the nearest support of this pullback and target will be 29,450. Yeah. Blue Mango. God, every time Blue Mango's in the chat, bro, everybody fucking comes in. He's gained popularity now. What's the time? 57. Okay, the new hourly is about to open up. Let this hourly close in the next 3 minutes. Yeah. Wait. For what? Miss K9011. Yo guys, I'm getting tattooed tomorrow. Getting more tattoos. Getting a big fat worm tattooed on my back. Where's the tag going? On the side of my rib cage, like a very big one. Like I'm gonna have a big leopard. I don't know, a leopard or a cheetah. If I don't get the worm, I'll get the worm. I swear to God, I'll get the worm. I don't care. Like you guys, I've got so many tats already. You won't even notice the worm, bro. Like, I could definitely get the worm for sure. Like, put it on my shoulder where there's like, where you guys can see it on stream. I need to get tatted, bro, more because I'm gonna go to Ibiza this summer. I need to go, you know, the typical shirt off, tats out, guns out. Okay, joking. But yeah, I'm going to be going to Ibiza this summer. So, gotta get ready, you know. Yeah, I'm going to get the word, liquidation trade. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the new hourly. If this 5-minute candle closes back above EMA, I might just close out, to be honest. Yeah. I'm just... I don't know. This trade can go both ways though. Or I just hold it, stop being a bitch. Just trust it, whatever, it is what it is. We're in the trade. I'm in the trade. Yeah, it is horrible now. It is. Come on. Oh, there we go. I'm going to add one.
Order filled.
Gonna add one. I'm giving you guys some real action now. Close below those lows, yeah. This 15, man, I want to see it go red, bro. Let's go. It's 10 minutes off. Yeah, let's see this 15-minute go red. The 5-minute just open, new one. When will the no activation fee offer come again? Guys. Good question. I do think Funder Pro is cooking up some things behind the scenes. I think. I had a meeting recently with somebody, and I kind of spoke about some cool things, you know, that maybe could happen, and they said they're gonna see. So maybe soon. Who knows? It all depends, bro. I'm not in control of that. But I know for a fact Funder Pro Futures will always start creating new products throughout time. You know, I know for sure they will at some point drop a no activation fee. I don't know when, but they do it quite often now and then. Here we go. There we go, NQ. There we go. Okay, I'm trailing my stop, guys. Above the highs that I just made. If you guys want a prop firm with uncapped payouts, Funder Pro Futures is the one, I'm telling you. Don't be stupid. Funder Pro Futures is the one. The stars told me we were overextended. Brother, the pullback we're having is minor. It's minor, bro. How much is the activation? I think it's $149, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, Tog, you're right, dude. You were right, brother. You were right. You were right, brother. Guys, I'm going to close one mini now.
Order filled.
Okay, I've closed partial. I'm going to go break even on this trade. Right, I'm break even. I've closed with half my position, yeah? Nice. Nice little... That scale in was top though, right? When I added that mini, it was at the right time. Tips for risk management, brother. Risk management, it all depends. How I see it is, dude... How do I explain it? I think risk management's a topic that a lot of people have their own opinions about. I know that, for example, you'll have people trading 50k accounts risking 2 micros a trade, right? For me personally, like, I think that's... Oh, I don't know. I'm not going to say. I personally like to put risk on the table. That's me. Like, if I'm trading... I want to make money. I'm not going to be sitting on a challenge account taking 1 month to pass it using 2-3 micros, right? If I'm on a challenge account, I want to try pass this challenge account in quick as possible. And I'm talking, I don't like to be on a challenge more than 1 week, which means that my risk management will be high. Like I'll be putting a lot of risk on the table. But that's me, okay? I've done enough evaluations in my life and I feel like they'll waste my time. I don't want to be on evaluations like for long periods of time now. I call it eval jail, right? I saw somebody call it evaluation prison, and it's basically is that. You literally are trading to get on a funded account, and it's quite annoying. So for me, I like to rush the evaluations personally. If you don't have much capital to do it, then yeah, maybe slow it down. You need to manage your risk, what suits you, bro. Like I'm just gonna be completely real. Like, obviously, don't full port your full account in one trade. I don't do that. But yeah, yeah. I know that's not the best. Okay, guys, I got taken that break even on that. At least I closed off half a position, guys. I got $250, so it's cool. Yeah, I'm not the... My risk management is very different to many people's, I think. Because it works for me as well. You are the top 3 commenter. Oh yeah. If you guys got like a little hashtag next to your name, it just means that like the more you comment, guys, you go ranking. So like the person that has the most comments will rank. You guys are in rank. It's like a race. So you better start commenting away if you want to get into first place. Now the reason, guys, I took the break even is because, like I said, the sell-off, I'm not convinced it's going to go for so long. I don't want to keep too much risk on the table there. I'm happy to take a partial and take another break even. But like something about risk management that I can say is every time you hit a 1-to-1, right? Or a 1-to-2 risk to reward, close at least 80% of your position off, bro. That's what I suggest. You will become profitable so much more quicker that way. Because a lot of people hold their trades for too long and then they get taken out of the break even at the end of it. So if you close 80% of your position off at a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, you will start taking your profits more and you'll start winning more. That's something that's boosted my win rate a lot. Is every 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2, I close off 50 to 80% of my position, and then I will just go break even and let the rest run. Like if this had to keep dropping, I don't care. It is what it is. At least I took money out of that. Toxic, good morning. I'm good, brother. I'm good. Hope you're doing well. My bias today, Nifa. Good morning. I want to say longs. I do want to say buys, but that might only come New York session though. That might only come New York session. And the reason I say that is because of the daily. For all the new people on, look at the daily, guys. We closed back above EMA yesterday that we spoke about. Right? We closed back above that EMA. Look, snap back above close. Today's candle broke that high. So yeah, I think our overall bias is bullish. If we pull back, it's just minor. It's not a big one. It's not a big one at all, I don't think. I don't think, bro. I don't think. I'm going to be buying more accounts today for sure. Because if price starts going for all-time highs again, it's the time to stock up on accounts. I keep saying this. If price is going to, guys, if price is going to be bullish and you're confident about it, stock up on accounts and just keep buying, bro. That was a great call. Double down. Exactly. Honestly, dude, that's how you need to do it. Like double down and then after that close out and then leave a runner, dude. You'll notice like how much more wins you'll take that way. But when you double down, when you add into your position, you need to time it right as well. Yeah, break even kills traders. Guys, if you're, like, let me tell you right now, I bet you right now, break evens kill so many of you to become profitable, because it's a profitable stopper. That's why after every 1-to-1 risk to reward, every 1-to-2, close 80% of that position and let another 20% run. You will honestly see a big change in your trading that way. Remember, the goal of trading is not to make millions right now, like especially for the new people. The goal is to make more money than your 9-to-5 job, right? That's the goal. It's to make more money than your 9-to-5 job. And if you are closing 80% of a position off at every 1-to-1, 1-to-2, I'll guarantee that already make more than your 9-to-5 job for that month. I'm pretty sure it will. Right? So if you're using 5 micros per trade and every 1-to-1, 1-to-2, you're closing 4 micros off, and you will be closing at about, depending on how big that 1-to-1 is, or the 1-to-2, you'll be closing off at least about $250 a day. Do you know what I mean? And then you have a runner, which is huge, because you do that 5 days a week, for example. Let's just say you're winning a lot of them. You'll be making around $4,000, $5,000 a month like that. And that's just 5 micros. Now imagine you start getting confident and you start upping your micro sizing. That's exactly what I did. And that's how I went from being unprofitable to profitable in the beginning. And then over time, the more money you start generating, the more you can then start increasing the risk. I don't trade gold, bro. I went on a bad tilt yesterday. 2 red days back to back for me. I grew my account to $414. That's great though. Fuck. And now my account is at 162. I started the account with 125. Broke all my rules and revenge traded. Nifa, you're very new to trading, right? You haven't been doing this for long. I remember you told me. That's totally normal. This is how you're going to learn. You are admitting what you've done wrong and you're speaking even publicly about it. That's already a first step to creating better habits, okay? I'm telling you right now, it's like going to rehab and then you say, hi, my name's Cameron and I'm a drug addict. You've just done the same. Hi, my name's Nifa and I went on tilt. So at least you're admitting it, you're acknowledging your mistake. Now you need to fix that, okay? Likely bullish till New York open with NVIDIA results. True. I have some NVIDIA core. Capital preservation. Don't use your earned income. Yeah. To be fair, Dan, I agree with you about the capital preservation, but I won't lie. When I was trading, dude, I was doing the complete opposite, dude. Every single paycheck I would get for my 9 to 5, I would just deposit that shit, bro. It was, yes, and then for the rest of the month I'd live off 2-minute noodles. I was so dedicated, bro. I won't lie. Don't do that though. It wasn't great. It wasn't the greatest idea. I was probably, bro, I don't know, I would probably at least deposit like No, because when I was working a 9 to 5, guys, I used to be a private chef, right? So I would be given I would be given free accommodation when I was a chef, because I was working on the yachts and I was doing all of that stuff. So being a private chef, you usually get given free accommodation, free food, right? When you're a private chef. And basically, yeah, when I got my paycheck, I didn't have to pay for any bills, basically. So I deposited, I kept depositing and I kept depositing. So yeah, some months I would use the whole check, bro. But I was so dedicated, dude. I was so locked in, like I just didn't care. Like my mindset was on another planet though. Yeah, you gotta make yourself broke, bro. You've gotta, what is that? Dan, in order to make money, you gotta risk, huh? You have to risk money to make money though, dude. You can't make money unless you win the lottery, bro, but you gotta make money you gotta risk money to make a lot of money. Most industries I'm talking about. Some obviously no, but most. Let's see, guys, if we can get a 5-minute closure back above EMA. I want to get into a buy. I'm not saying we're gonna do that. Let's just wait. But I really want to take a long. We just have to wait for the right setup. Right now, there's no setup to long just yet. Price is still confirming it might want to go lower, but until we have a nice bullish closure back above EMA, that'll be the confirmation. Stay tuned, brother. Guys, I'm trading New York session today. I'm trading New York session today on YouTube with Michelle. We're doing a big giveaway again. We're doing a $200,000 giveaway on the New York session stream of funded accounts. So yeah, be there. My video is stucking. Guys, if the stream is a bit like laggish, I apologize, man. I am living in the French Alps. And sometimes the signal can be a bit slower. Risking it for the biscuit. Yeah. Hi, I'm MC and I'm an applied volatility addict. I'll be back now. I'm just gonna go get some water. Oh, come sleep, please. Come for sleep, please, baby boo. Stay hydrated, chat. Stay hydrated, bro. The more water you drink, the more profitable you become. Good morning, my sweet. Yes, good morning. Good. You good? Wow, check that, guys. Holy smokes. Oh my god. Crazy volatility, yeah. If only I was still in that trade. If only I was still in that trade. Sherwood, congrats, brother. Holy smokes, dude. For the guys that took that trade with me, and if you're still in this trade, well, who's in this trade, guys, still? Who took that entry with me? Who's still in? Yes. Holy smokes. Yeah, got Tog Minosa, whatever your name is, bro. Please tell us our futures, dude. Please. As well as that OG tech guy. Since you guys are medians, we'd love to know what our futures are. Yeah, crazy candle. I'm assuming... Yeah, nice Sherwood, brother. Congrats, dude. Super nice. Super nice, dude. No, come sleep, please. Come make us sleep. Come sleep, please. Sleep, good girl. Good girl. Please. Your Raz, very nice, brother. Super nice, bro. Super nice, dude. Yeah, guys, no entry on this right now. I won't even lie. Let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Yo, gold selling up as well. Crazy. Man. Man. Ha ha ha. Remember what I said to you guys before the stream, before we started? I said if we have an hourly closure back below this EMA, this could be a sell-off coming from this area up here, right? We need to see this hourly close back below. We need to see this hourly close back below EMA, which is in 30 minutes. Although the new 30-minute candle also just... maybe I'm gonna... This 30-minute close below... No. Yeah, I use Forex. Oh, fuck, what am I saying? I use Forex Factory as well. Guys, who wants to do a giveaway? Who wants to do a giveaway, chat? Real talk now. Who wants to do a giveaway? Duck race giveaway. Who wants to win a 50k futures account? It's the question. I know there's people, bro. I know there's people, bro. I know there's people. I know there's people. Guys, okay, we're gonna do a duck race giveaway. If you wanna be part of it, here we go. If you, oh, Cam Bam, of course you do, sexy guy. Yeah. Here people are going, okay, guys, if you wanna be part of the duck race, surprise, motherfuckers. okay, seriously, guys. If you want to be part of the duck race, guys, you need to. Please, can you like the stream? Yeah, you have to like the stream, yeah, and you all need to be active in the chat. And we're gonna start the giveaway. Like and sub. You know the rules. Like, sub, yeah. And make sure you've signed up with the link in the bio of the stream. Make sure you signed up with the link in the bio of the stream. Okay? Make sure you have signed up with the link that's in the bio to fund the Pro Futures in the stream. So like the video, guys. Like the stream. You know the vibes. Start running the likes up, chat. Start running those likes up. Please run them, run them, run them, run them. Once we get over 90 likes, guys, we are going to do the giveaway duck race, yeah? Yeah, now all of you guys coming. You guys are crazy. Now everyone in the chat wants to get active. Let's get some action on the stream, chat. Let's get some action. It's giveaway time, baby! If you are not active inside of the chat, you will not be entered into the giveaway. I'm going to be copying and I'm going to be pasting all of your beautiful names inside of the duck race. And we're going to do a 10-minute long duck race, chat. So come, let's run the likes. If you have not already, hit the like button, chat, and you could win yourself a 50k account. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I'm going to prepare the duck race while you guys are entering for the new people. Alright. Online duck race. Sweet. Oh shit. Give me a moment. Duck race. Duck race. Duck race. Share screen capture. Window capture. Alright guys, let's run the likes. Come on. Why is it? I became active in the chat, like, stream, subbed. What do I need to do also? I don't see it in the info portion of the stream. Well, all you have to do, bro, is you've entered. You'll be inside of the giveaway already. Rich Beats, don't worry, you're in. You guys need to like the stream. Make sure you're active inside of the chat because I'm going to be taking your names from the active participants in the chat. And then make sure you've signed up to Funded Pro Futures, guys. Dog race would be cool. Is even such a thing? Is there a dog race, guys? Or is it just a duck race? Is dog race a thing? Apparently there's a thing called a marble race as well. But marbles are boring. I don't know. Oh, look at NQ Saloff, bro. Holy smokes, dude. I didn't expect the Saloff right now, but let's wait to see, huh? Zombie race. Okay, you guys have 10 minutes before we do the giveaway. I'm busy setting it up. Okay, screen capture. Window duck race. Voila. Okay, chat. Here's Cam setting up the duck race. Here's Cam setting up the duck race, chat. Okay. We know the drill. We know how it works. For the new people, you need to make sure you've subscribed, you've liked the stream, and you've signed up with Fundapro Futures, and you need to be active inside of the chat. So guys, you've got less than 10 minutes and we're going to start off the duck race, yeah? We're going to start off the duck race. Wow, NQ, bro. Holy smokes, dude. All right. Yo guys, we don't have that many participants, I won't even lie. We don't have that many participants just yet, so better hurry up. Which means that if you have entered, your chances of winning are higher. You just signed up, never heard of this firm. Brother, you're going to hear a lot about this firm, bro. It's a good firm. It's just like, there are obviously other firms out there which have been around like for much longer. But guys, Fundapro Futures has been around for almost going into 2 years soon. So like, I think so they've been around for a while, bro. And I've traded with them for a year and a half. Why the huge sell-off? I don't know, bro. It's trading, huh? It's trading. Okay. Let's see. 5 minutes, guys. We're doing the duck race. 5 minutes, guys. We're doing the duck race. Bailey's good. She's good. So guys, for the duck race, right? For the duck race, what are we saying? Should we go all yellow ducks? Should we go ducks with colors and costumes? Or should we go colors only? So, all yellow ducks, colors and costumes, or colors only? What are we saying, chat? Okay, we've got 2 yellows. Both yellow. Ooh, yellows are winning. Colors and costumes. Do a poll, bro. Yeah. Let's do a poll. Okay, we're gonna do a poll. Let's make this interesting. Dark green. So we got yellow ducks, costumes, or colors? Alright. There we go. The poll's up. Choose what are we going for. Yellow ducks, costume ducks, or colorful ducks. The poll is up, guys. The poll is up. Jeremy, I've been trading Funded Pro futures for 1.5 years, dude, and trust me, they're amazing. They're amazing. If you are a good trader and you have discipline, you'll do very well. There's uncapped payouts as well, brother. Payouts are uncapped, dude. You can request as much money out of one payout as you would like, and then you eventually get moved to daily payouts after, which is really cool. So this account that I'm currently on right now, I'm up $8,200. I'm requesting a payout on Monday, right from there. After that payout, I get moved to daily payouts, which is super cool, with no consistency rule, uncapped payouts, 80% split. It's gonna be so good. Honestly, I've worked so hard with these accounts to get them there. It's going to be so nice to be requesting payouts almost every stream. Do you know what I mean? Win a duck, please. Big ducks. I'm the golden goose. Uncapped that. No, it's really cool. I would not be preaching out a prop firm if I didn't believe in it, guys. Honestly. Honestly. Your daily payouts are insane. It's like having your own personal account. So like if you grow your account to like $50,000 and then if you get moved to the daily payout, you can imagine how much money you can take out of there. And they pay, guys. They pay. Every time I request a payout, I receive it in maximum 3 hours. The other day when I requested, I got my payout in 15 minutes. Alright guys, duck race is about to commence in 2 minutes. So if you want to enter now, come, let's get the chat ready, guys. Start spamming the chat so I can make sure all your names are in there. Make sure you've liked the stream, chat. Like the stream. Make sure you have subscribed. Okay, my beautiful people. Okay, do you know what? We're doing a 20-minute duck race, guys. I'm sorry. We're going to do 20-minute today. 20-minute duck race, bro. It's crazy. Crazy. Okay. Who's ready to rumble? Who's ready to rumble? I am going to be copying and pasting all the names right now into the duck race chat. I will be copying and pasting. Oh, guys, I'm going to take a short, guys. Oh my god. Order fill. I've taken one short. Oh my god. hold on. I wanted to see that. Hold on. Let's just go a quick scalp. 1-1. 1-1. A 1-1, guys. Nothing crazy. Or like a 1 to 1.5. Okay, I'm copying and pasting all names, guys. Alright, let me just remove Thunder Pro from here. Remove that. Okay. Okay, guys. You ready? Are you ready, chat? For the duck race. "20-minute long duck race." How many trades do I take a day, bro? It depends. 1 trade maximum. I don't know, dude. Not usually more than 4 trades a day, though. I don't limit myself too much. I just trade when I want to trade, guys. I don't overtrade, though. I don't overtrade. NQ, bro. Come on. Let's go. 1-1. 1-1. 1-1. Hit the 1-1, bro. Come on. I just want a nice little in and out scalp. I want a nice little in and out scalp. Nothing crazy. Give me $900, bro. Or 1,000. Give me $1,000 right now. Give me $1,000 right now, dude. Okay. Take your marks. Get set. The duck race is gonna start, chat. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Alright, guys. The weekly duck race is starting. 20 minutes, we going. We are going. Let me turn this noise off. It's so annoying. This duck noise is so annoying, dude. Hold on. Where is it? Where? This one. Okay. Honestly, that looks like I might hit a stop. Yeah, guys, it took me out. It took me out. It is what it is. It's alright. I risked my profits for that trade, so it's cool. I did risk my profits for that trade, so it's cool. But on a serious note, let's focus on the ducks. Let's focus on the ducks, bro. Guys, please no cheating with the ducks, alright? Yo, Aussie trader is duck number 1. Aussie trader is duck number 1. Oh shit. Shit. Guys. Okay, sorry. I thought I restarted the duck race. Alright. Your NQ. I can't believe he just did me like that. I'm just gonna say, if you won previous duck race and you win again, you will still win now. You are allowed to win 2 times in a row. Because the duck race is completely fair to all contestants. Right, the new hourly opened. How did last hour close? Yeah. I want to try short this again though. I do want to try short this again.
Order filled.
Come on, Cam. A 1 to 2. A 1 to 2. A 1 to 2. Come on. NQ, bro. Come on, dude. Let's go. Push, 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 man. Push, bro. Told you, bro. If you take my money, I'm gonna come get it right back, bro. Come on. Oh la la, NQ, bro. You are fucking playing games, my guy. Ten minutes left of the duck, guys. 10 minutes left, chat. 10 minutes left. If this trade stops me out, guys, I'm done for the day. I will not be trading again. I will not take more than $2,000 loss today on this account. I know I just need one good... If I do take this loss, yeah, this is actually a joke, bro. This is an absolute joke, dude. It's a joke, bro. That's me out, guys, for the day, I think. That is me done for the day. If this stops me, that is me done for the day. Yeah. No, don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Go down, bro. Come on, reject. Stay below, bro. Stay below the 250, man. Stay below 250s. Don't do me dirty, bro. 8 minutes of the duck race. Come on, don't do me dirty. Come on, get back under. Get back under. I don't want to see price come back up to that EMA. 7 minutes left of the dark race, chat. NQ, come on, bro. Yo, it was close though. NQ was so close. Double down. Yo, nah, I'm not doubling down on this one, dude. I'm already in quite big. I'm with 2 minis right now on this, bro. And it's extremely volatile. Uh, 6 minutes on the dark race. Who's gonna take the win? What a comeback. Not yet. Yeah, to be honest, that was so close to hitting my stop loss though. I need, if this thing hits TP, the comeback will be insane. Here we go. Guys, I'm taking some risk off a bit. I'm moving a bit lower. Oh my god, come on, dude. Get back below. The 200s, man. Get back below those 200s, bro. If we can get back below those 200s, guys, I'm going to close off half my position. If we can get back below those 200s, I'm going to close half my position off and move break even. So at least I make back my profit and the rest goes risk free. Holy smokes, dude. What the hell is this doing, man? For you guys thinking I'm crazy for taking so much risk on this trade, you must understand something. I have 3 of these 200k accounts that I'm jumping between all the time. Of course I'm going to put risk on them. Like, I don't copy trade these 200ks though. Four minutes, guys. 4 minutes. I'm going to take a random guess. Who's going to win this duck race? I've got a feeling, by looking at the ducks now, I've got this weird feeling it's going to be Jane Bond, 99.9. Because this duck has been consistently in the front the whole race. Jane Bond, 99.9. 999. Oh, NQ, what the hell are you doing, bro? Like, this is such a joke of a trade, bro. If NQ does tap me out, I rate it's going to reverse and sell off again. If it does. I've got a feeling this needs to go lower though. I don't know. Okay, Jane Bond is falling behind a bit now for the first time. What is this rhino? Guys, stop spamming that rhino thing. I don't understand what that is. 2 minutes, chat. 2 minutes. Whoever wins this account, I hope to God you pass the challenge and you request a payout, huh? You better pass and request some payouts, dude. Oh. Yo, I'm over inky right now. What the hell is that, dude? One minute chat. Who's going to win the duck race? 50 seconds left. 50 seconds left. Come on. Come on. $18, $17, $16, $15, $14, $13. Come on. 10, 9. Alright, okay. We got DGT. Oof, 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 oof. Ooh, Jeremy really pushing. Oh my god, Jeremy! Jeremy! Jeremy just took a Red Bull from the back line though. Congrats, bro. Are you in the chat, Jeremy? Are you in the chat, Jeremy? Are you there, brother? Where's Jeremy, guys? Yeah, okay, there's Jeremy. Jeremy, brother, congrats, dude. Text me on Instagram, brother, please, your email address, yeah?
Order filled.
I'm out, guys. 1.6 down for the day. It is what it is. It's trading. I'm not going to cry about it. I'm going to be done trading this account today. Personally. Jeremy, bro, congrats, dude. Honestly, message me on Instagram, dude, and I will get you sorted. There has been a little bit of a delay with receiving the competition accounts, but I'll get you sorted. Congrats, bro. Congrats, guys. Honestly, thank you for an amazing stream. I've had a really good time with you all. I love you so damn much, every single one of you. Cam Bam, I love you the most, dude. Don't forget that. Right, I'm back live tomorrow, guys, same time every day, yeah? So if you're gonna be there, and you don't have a choice, you better be there. Yo, Jeremy's duck just came out of nowhere, bro. I swear he cheated. Jeremy cheated, chat. Guys, have a great day, trade safe. I love you all so very much. Peace and love.